traveling to Sarasota on flight 1781. This is the last and final protocol. If this is your flight, please make your way to D1, that is Delta 1 for an on-time departure. Again, Frontier Airline passengers traveling to Sarasota on flight 1781. This is the last and final boarding call. Please make your way to D1, that is Delta 1 for an on-time departure.
I need to get some coffee first of all. It's super early. I'm usually up at this time, but not moving like this. So I need to grab me some coffee before I board this flight. Let's see. Where are we getting it from? Travel day to the Expo. Right, so we're now at the airport, Philadelphia International Airport, getting ready to board the flight. So I'm going in a day early, getting a call from the wife. Let's answer this. Yes, babe. I got you. I don't know. What do you need? All right, I'm send it right now. You want it on sale or Cash App? All right, like I said, I'm going in a day early into the Expo. This is Long Beach, California, and it is a 3-day Expo. So it's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm gonna be around for all 3 days. We are, the crazy thing, this is the first time I'm actually making it to the Long Beach Expo. And after, nearly 9 years in the industry now, and this is the biggest trade show. But it's always been the obstacles trying to get in, like get my schedule to this show, But like my wife said this morning, all things work together for good to those who trust in the Lord. Right. So we'll be hanging out with our partners TKO and Super Soft Apparel. Right. So this is the booths you can find me in if you're at the trade show. I'll be at the TKO booth. And I'll be at the Super Soft booth. But right now I'm just hanging out, trying to grab a wait for my flight to come in. That's not me. I ain't going to Denver. I'm going to California. But yeah, it's gonna be a good time. And so what I look forward to at the trade show is going to be basically networking. That's always the opportunity, right, to network and collaborate with like-minded people. Also, some potential partners, and just to see what's like, what direction the industry is headed, right? Especially with all of the AI stuff that's popping up. I'm interested to see if that's been integrated into the apparel space and in any way, right? I know, yes, you can do it in artwork, but what about in equipment, right? Is there, like, what's happening in the industry as far as AI? And then just to see what's new, right? Is DTF still the thing? Is DTF still taking the industry by storm, or is that going down? Or is the technology a little better now, right? Like, I think at this point we're probably about 3 to 4 years into the DTF space, maybe about 3 years, almost 4. So at this point now, technology should be good. Companies should understand their machines and how to even provide tech support and all of that on those. So it's interesting. I'm interested to see. Again, it's going to be one of the biggest ones. I mean, this is the biggest show. So we'll be there. I'll make sure I keep you guys along the way with everything that we'll be talking about. Again, if you're around, make sure you find me at the TKO booth. Back over here in LA. Had to grab another cup of coffee. A long flight. Oh man, I'm good.
Welcome to LA, man.
Yes.
We got you your room.
Good, man.
Good to see you, man. Good to see you.
I appreciate you.
Got you your room, baby.
All right.
How's it going on?
All
All good? The flight was okay?
Everything was good.
Good, man. You looking good?
Thank you.
I like that hoodie.
Yeah,
We partying tonight?
Transfers.